megalayapost.news.
Hadukan no, kinang penyadu beli kilang stupid hadukan ikan dia. Beli kilang illiterate hadukan ikan ni kidan hakabuar kidan hakaan tambah kilang illiterate sebab palat.
Hak jungwan yu kejat menteri ketenat ke kampo yang ke sorkat kemi wa Amit Shah ahnong ba shulong mentagasngi lasaki baladan ke jungdang kali ke bajur haki surok pajba bala miru wat ke jingetainya hapadeng ki bor pahra bat ki pajba ki balaj bawan ki belas akut da ki kenta hak surong nakada ba ki bor pulit kim sha banya ya ki kali pajba kani ke jing shakta ki pajba ba ke jungdang kali kalajur ba hakathan pulu ba ki pulit kilakhangi ki kali pajba na ke jungwan wa Amit Shah Tadu ke Porsche teng menstem ki pulit kim sha shu banya ki kali na mali benrung 10 hakaba ki kali pajba kila sakut de ki kenta balawan ra ka jingthang kali ka bajur na kada ko jingkhang banya ki kali bawan Amit Shah ban shimanta ka 73rd plenary meeting ka North Eastern Council Hastir Convention Center Layu i baki pajba kile ne ajur bat ki bor sanchar district bat ki pulit ki balakhang banya e ki pajba bat ki la ther jurru halor ka jingshak ta ki pajba ka badai tang na kada ko jingwan kita ki he ki han sarkar baklem da prakhat ya ki pajba ladan ki bala ben lakho ba ka ne ka jingkhang ye ki pajba kalakta jur bat ka baklem da khan snap shu ya ki pajba balada ki snothu ba ka jingwan wa Amit Shah kalong kerpang hadu kata kata la deben penbena sundon da ka shuti khang ba ki pajba kinomi patkin su songkhop hayeng hasam
Notification, there was no notification. No, why? There was no notification. You declare state holiday. You declare state holiday. No, this is not fair. Whoever is coming, this is not fair for us. We will not have on time. I should be on time. All the taxes are to be on time. Why should I lose my time? This is not fair. There is no notification on road block. No notification. We are not voting like this. We are not voting for like this. This is not fair enough for us. This is not fair. This is not fair. We are voting for that. We have to understand. If we are suffering that, this person should not belong Home Minister.
Once we reach on this very late, we will be transferred to remote places. Who will help us at that time?
Just few minutes. Just few minutes.
We have to
Be patient. We are also asking for
To be very honest, we didn't get anything. Pelat ingin ngadu meneh nilai absa, kamu dia super absa abad. Saban pun ingin sabat. Long dah kia sodo kata-kata, lihat ni kesurak. Rahasia. Lani I will state holiday lah biar. Ini song biar here. Naik pun kurang baik. Kamdi ka pakai ingin ba HP kam HP ye. Tolong kata VIP culture mut tolong ayah hadukan tu. Hadukan tu. Kinang penyadu beli kilang stupid hadukan ikan dia. Beli kilang illiterate hadukan ikan ni kidan hakabuar kidan hakaan tambah kilang illiterate sebab palat. Ha? Kapur kimia dan KK kimia dan. Kia suya bat sabit penap sabit my dep stop. My dep stop. Ya you. Madia. Madia milera ka kam jungim dera. Tangga kam ni sia ka pabiang. Kam jungi tim milera.
Pwede ba kanina to pistol ka yon kina bala ka penla. Pemina mo ndu pisan kono on bang
Kami ira sa. Kami ira ini Ayong hana bala benar tak kelemi ngingi pet kuan mi era dong taruh.
Atau kini pada kajing file jong kada solution dari sarkar nang magkamay.
Kani kajing filia jong sistem, kajing filia jong kinong penya jong ka bor jong ka an. And plus kataru kani kelalong kembali don bor. Kila ayu long kembali misuse ka pawa. Abli kilong liat don bor siya kipen selang ingi pet ba kum dia. Dalor linti sengkin ru baret. Bat mentah tang nak ada ta VIP mut suy yang saang ni. Nadu menyang kenal ni. Poy ni lah sepau tam. Hadu mentah ngidang yang saang ni. Perhati. Mentah lah kan no. Mentah lah kas posting oi. Sepau sau po mentah. Tongki. Kani te siya kalau stupid sama pala kani kalau klik ha.
5 minutes mentala daw sa kapag 5 minutes.
Di ang up 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Easily they can fly, okay? Our public is not going to throw one stone also to Amit Shah. Why he is afraid of so much? And why he is blocking road? If we are not going to pay 1 day, late fee is there for GST. And now he is blocking half an hour this road. Who will pay that half an hour payment? Each and every minute there is money. They think they need only money. We are like puppet.
Don't you see like the government or the situation reveal because they don't give the notification also.
There was no notification publicly. I didn't receive any notification. Otherwise, I could have stayed at home only.
So what do you have to say about this?
Better to vote for change. Vote for change for 2028. Why should
Meghalaya Post.news.